everyone, and welcome back to English with Sara. In today's episode, we're going to talk about animals, insects, and a very important global issue, extinction. The topic is common in everyday English, documentaries, and exams like IELTS or TOEFL. Let's start with animals. Animals can be divided into different categories, which means groups based on shared characteristics. Mammals are animals that are warm-blooded and usually have fur or hair. Examples include lions, whales, and humans. Mammals give birth to live young, meaning their babies are born alive, not from eggs. Birds are animals with feathers and wings. Most birds can fly, which means they can move through the air. Although some birds, like penguins, cannot. Birds lay eggs, meaning they reproduce by producing eggs. Reptiles, such as snakes and lizards, are cold-blooded. Cold-blooded means their body temperature depends on the environment. Now let's talk about insects. Insects are small animals with 6 legs and in most cases wings. Examples include ants, bees, butterflies, and mosquitoes. Some insects are harmful, meaning they can cause damage or spread diseases. Others are beneficial, which means they help humans and nature, for example, by pollinating plants. Bees, for instance, play a key role in pollination. Pollination is the process which plants reproduce with the help of insects carrying pollen. Without bees, many plants and crops would not survive. Now, let's move on to extinction. Extinction happens when a species no longer exists anywhere on Earth. A species is a group of animals or plants that share the same characteristics and can reproduce together. Some animals are endangered. Endangered means they are at serious risk of extinction in the near future. Animals like pandas, tigers, and some sea turtles are endangered due to habitat loss. Habitat loss means the destruction of the natural environment where animals live. Another major cause of extinction is poaching. Poaching is the illegal hunting or capturing of animals, often for their fur, horn, or meat. Climate change also threatens wildlife. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns make it difficult for many species to adapt, which means to change and survive in new conditions. To protect animals, conservation efforts are essential. Conservation efforts refers to actions taken to protect wildlife and natural habitats. Examples include wildlife reserves, national parks, and laws that protect endangered species. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Animals and insects are a vital part of our ecosystem. Understanding their role and the dangers they face helps us become more responsible to global issues. Thank you for listening and watching English with Sara. Protect nature, respect wildlife, and I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.